You've probably seen by now, but crypto is looking a lot better right now. We're seeing Bitcoin breaking through a key resistance of $35,000 per coin. Ethereum has broken a key resistance of $2,000 per coin. And now we are approaching a key indicator that could mean we are approaching a massive, massive bull run in 2021. So in today's video, we're going to go over three things. We're going to go over first, what is going on with the technicals, key indicators, because they are looking really, really promising. After that, I want to talk about trends. We're going to go over a couple of crypto trends that are signaling we are having a key shift in what is going on in the crypto world, from institutions to what's going on with big whale accounts to what's going on with the SEC. And finally, at the end, we're going to talk about regulations and how everything going on right now in Canada, in Latin America, in China, and in the US is all coming together for what I would call a very, very positive impact on the crypto world. So if you can, please be sure to like the video, subscribe, and if you don't already have the public.com investing app, make sure to go ahead and follow me on that. You can buy stocks, sell stocks, and see exactly what I'm buying and selling in real time, as well as a full portfolio breakdown. Think of it like an investing app combined with social media. It is completely free to follow me. Use the code Michael when you sign up, and you'll get up to $50 in a free stock. But anyways, right now, the entire crypto market is doing extremely, extremely well. Bitcoin is up 4.5%, Ethereum's up 6%, Binance Coin's up 6%, Dogecoin is up 4%, and the entire market is approaching a $1.5 trillion market cap. Things are looking a lot better right now. And this is a great sign for crypto because not only is the market up, but we are approaching a couple of key indicators that are signaling we could be breaking out very, very soon. And the first one is what is going on with the moving average. So when we look at the 100-day moving average in the 4-hour chart, we can see that we are finally starting to break through this 100-day moving average line with the 4-hour chart. Yes, we have done it in the past. This is with Bitcoin. You can see the chart. We have done it in the past. We did it on June 14th, and we weren't able to hold above that. However, breaking above this now, if we can hold above it for a couple of days, that could be a sure sign that we're entering a massive bull market. We always like to see when the 4-hour chart crosses the 100-day moving average. Remember though, it's a little early to call if we are going to see a bull run from here, but this is the first step that we have crossed it. We are seeing a rally up, and now it's going to be, can we sustain that break and push higher? And if we can, that's a sure sign. In addition to this, we are seeing this for all other altcoins. We are seeing Ethereum is doing the same thing. Ethereum is also breaking through the 100-day moving average. On the 4-hour chart, we are seeing that right now Ethereum's price broke through that. We see about 2 candlesticks above. But again, remember, we have done this in the past, so it's just, this is the first step. If we can break above it and stay above this line, that is a sign that we will see a major, major bull run throughout the rest of 2021. In addition to this, one thing to keep in mind in terms of technicals, in terms of the charts, we do have a pretty strong resistance at $40,000 per coin for Bitcoin. So once we do break above this 100-day moving average and we stay above it, we still have to remember that we have this $40,000 per coin resistance, which will be our next resistance we would have to break through. Either way though, things are looking much better. This is one of the first times that we are seeing a positive upward trend where we would be breaking through that 100-day moving average. Now let's talk quickly about the technical, the trends. What are going on with trends in the crypto world? There are some major cryptocurrency trends that, in my opinion, are all lining up perfectly to see a bull run in 2021. The first of this is that right now we are seeing that in the US, only around 6% of US investors own crypto. The trend is growing very, very quickly, but according to a study done by a major institution, they said that even though crypto is not part of the mainstream economy, demand has been increasing dramatically over the last 12 months. Right now, 6% of the people in the US own crypto, and about a quarter of all investors. So very few people in terms of total population in the US, only 6%. In terms of investors, it's about 1/4, so 25%. Either way though, that's still a very, very low number when you're talking about the entire crypto world, because right now, crypto at some point in the future, in my opinion, is going to be owned by everyone. People are going to own at least some Bitcoin or some Ethereum or some crypto. It's just a matter of when. Right now, only 6% of people in the US own crypto. I can't imagine a world 10 years from now, 15 years from now, where that percentage isn't at least 50%. So imagine how much more money is going to be coming into crypto. In addition to this, what we're seeing is that states in the US are seeing dramatic increases in interest based on crypto, not just in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, but in all of crypto together. We're seeing that Hawaii had a 687% gain in terms of amount of interest and demand in crypto. Nevada, 621% increase. California, 655%. Florida, up 128%, and Colorado up 637%. When we're looking at these trends, though, what we're seeing is not only is the demand increasing across most states in the US, there's some that are increasing more than others, but for most part, a lot of states are up over 600% over the last 12 months. And we are seeing that coins like Ethereum, coins like Dogecoin, Maker, Dash, Litecoin, all of these are seeing major increases in demand and increases in price as well. So as we start to see more investors get involved in crypto, and remember, this is just retail investors, we will definitely see the prices start to increase. And another trend that is going on with the crypto world is that we are seeing businesses start to accept crypto. Right now, there are about 2,300, right at the time of filming, 2,300 to 2,500 businesses in the US that accept Bitcoin. States are growing this very rapidly, but we're seeing that the states that are accepting the most in terms of crypto are going to be California and Florida. This makes sense because these are states that are been pushing for Bitcoin, pushing for crypto, and have been talking about it a lot recently. So between both of these trends, between businesses accepting crypto, between the amount of demand growing in crypto from retail investors, I think all of these are signs that we are setting up for a massive bull run. In addition to this, the third trend that I do want to go over is what is going on with institutions, because right now institutions are getting more and more involved in crypto than ever before. Just the other day, we saw that Morgan Stanley came out and said that they have finally added Bitcoin to some of their funds. Well, they added GBTC, which is Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. It follows the price of Bitcoin. And so what they did is they bought over 28,000 shares of GBTC, only about $1.3 million. But this is important because what it's showing us is that we're finally starting to see institutions get involved in crypto, like major banks, major investment banks, institutions, they're starting to get involved. Previously, we had only seen companies like Tesla, Square, MicroStrategy, ARK Invest. These were the only institutions that we really saw involved, but now we're starting to see more and more players get in. In addition to Morgan Stanley, we saw that Goldman Sachs became the first ever major US bank to begin cryptocurrency trading with their partnership with Galaxy Digital. So this is all very exciting news because what it's showing us is that we're finally starting to see institutions get involved. We still see a very small percentage of institutions involved, but this trend is dramatically changing. And for all of those trends and all those reasons, along with the technical indicators, I think that's why we can see a massive bull run in 2021. And finally, the last thing going on with crypto right now is what is going on with, in particular, what is going on with regulations. Because right now, regulations are changing dramatically. Ever since we saw El Salvador legalize Bitcoin, make Bitcoin legal tender, passing the law, we have seen a lot of movement in terms of regulations for crypto. And so right now, the big thing in the US in particular is what is going on with ETFs. So we're seeing Bitcoin and ETFs submitted for approval every couple of weeks with Bitcoin and Ethereum to the SEC. ARK Invest and Cathie Wood just submitted a Bitcoin ETF under the symbol ARKB for approval to the SEC. We've seen that the Valkyrie ETF, Bitcoin ETF, has been sent for approval. Wisdom Tree Bitcoin ETF has been submitted for approval. VanEck Bitcoin ETF has been submitted for approval. All of these have been submitted for approval, and while many of them have been delayed, we're seeing more and more institutional demand coming out that is going to push the SEC and push regulators to pass these even sooner. They keep delaying the decisions 45 days, but it's only a matter of time before we will see one passed. And in my opinion, after we already saw Canada pass multiple Bitcoin ETFs, multiple Ethereum ETFs, and after we saw Brazil and Latin America officially pass their first Bitcoin ETF, it's getting to be more and more pressure on the US to get theirs passed as well. So I think all of this stuff, between what is going on with the technical indicators, between what is going on with trends and across the US and with institutions and also with regulations, I think all of this is going to push Bitcoin's price up even higher and cause us to see a massive bull run in 2021. Let me know what you guys think, but that's just what I think about what's going on with crypto. Just want to have a bit of a chat, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next episode.